If you could look into that wheelhouse, you'd see the pride on the face of Bill Goodger, skipper of the Bantam. Note the shape of her bows as she comes up astern. The Bantam's the Thames' first waterborne bulldozer. She pushes the stem-headed barges where the older tugs can only pull. Lighterman Bob Floyd shows how they couple them up with a winch wire around the port and starboard bollards. The principle behind the idea is to marry the barge and bulldozer into one self-contained craft, self-propelled and self-steering for the duration of her voyage. "60 seconds are all they need to get the craft coupled up. The slack is taken up by independent winches, just enough to hold the craft firmly together, no more." There she waits, Bantam the first, prototype of 14 now working on Britain's canals. An unwieldy barge becomes trim and maneuverable in the grip of this midget, which can be handled by a crew of one. Old bargees call her a mechanized rudder, and that sums her up in more ways than one. They agree she's the answer to bottlenecks in Britain's narrow waterways, with a 25% increase in speed over barges towed by the same power. 15,000 miles she steamed in 2.5 years, and all without overhaul. When the Thames was in flood, she helped to get the coal barges past Teddington Weir. Remember her next time you too are struggling through the wash.